Hi, I'm Claire Stanley-Manock and I'm the Paid Media Director here at connective3, and I'm going to talk to you today about audiences. Two of my main mantras are media is expensive, so you have to make the most of every penny of it, and you'll never have a data set that's as rich or as powerful as your own. So what this means is that you need to utilise audience lists across all of your media and all of your marketing wherever you can. The first way that we want to be using audience lists is by making lists in Google Analytics. So anyone that hits a specific page of your website, you can then build an audience list off the back of it, which means that you can then re-engage these people across your digital paid media marketing. So that could be people that reach a corporate page versus a personal page, or people that hit a safari travel page versus a walking trips page or a cycling holiday. Basically, your audience is telling you what they are interested in, so why not use that to then remarket them back to them, to then get them back to your site to convert? Because also, when people show in-market signals for things like travel, all your competitors are jumping on the back of those people as well. So you need to make sure that everybody that's been to your site and has told you something about them, that you use that data to then re-engage them and bring them back. The second thing we're going to do with our audiences is we're going to build them out into our Google PPC account. So rather than just focusing on keywords or upweighting bids for people such as in market for travel, we're going to take that a stage further by building out your perfect audience lists. So whether that is couples or whether that is families, we'll use things like is a parent and is in market for trips to, but also things like is in market for a new Audi, for example, to indicate that level of sort of income and wealth and affluence. And what this means off the back of that is that you can then tailor your ads to those specific audiences. So you can start changing your ad copy so that the family audience gets a message that is your perfect family holiday, whereas a couple's audience might get your perfect romantic getaway. By using these two audience methods, both the audience retargeting and the audience prospecting, it means that we can be delivering relevant ads to your audience, because we all know that when we deliver relevant ads at the right time to the right person in the right place, then we can get great results and campaigns can work really well. Thank you very much.